Hello everybody, Geraldine Rose here. I'm not really certain why I'm doing this video. I was cleaning up the hard drive and I had all these pictures of the baking that Paul and I had taken, and I thought Mom and Dad might want to see it. I started cooking gluten-free back in 1996 when we discovered that I was a blood type O negative and that all the food issues that I had been having since a baby were most likely caused because back then you were pretty much fed a wheat flour type of diet, and I didn't need wheat. I am very insensitive to it. So I should have been on like a rice pablum. My brothers were fine because they were blood type A negative, and we never figured out why I was such a colic baby. Well, it was because I was being fed food that was poisoning me. So when I discovered that in 96, I started looking into how to convert recipes over to gluten-free. I use a couple of different alternative flour mixes, which are basically like rice flours with potato starch, tapioca starch, oat flour, and xanthan gum mixed in it. And I as well am cooking sugar-free because I have diabetes in my family and we are worried about us going pre-diabetic. So I use 3 different types of a sugar-free alternative, like the Swerve with its erythritol, and also monk fruit sweetener and stevia. That's what we are pretty much the base of these cookies. Well, you can see there's other baking in there too. So I don't follow recipes. I just kind of keep throwing things in the bowl until the voices of my ancestors whisper to me, that's enough now. So I can't really duplicate them, but pretty much they are along the line of it's like 2 eggs for the base. It's a 1/4 cup to a 1/2 cup of mixed oils, avocado oil, olive oil, and coconut oil, because those are the ones that are healthier for you. I put in 1/2 cup to 3/4 cup of those sugar alternatives. I put in a dash of vanilla extract or one of the other extracts. We use mostly a salt-free mix because I have hypertension and I'm not supposed to be having salt because of that. Also, what else do we throw in there? Oh, yes, psyllium fiber, about a tablespoon of that so that my husband gets his fiber. And then I will put in the mixes of the alternative flours. Usually it's about 1.5 cups to 2 cups, I guess. And then some form of liquid like 1/2 and 1/2 milk or yogurt, sometimes water. And what else do I throw in there? Oh gosh, I'd have to actually go do a recipe for you and figure out what it is that I put in there. You can see we've got quite a few dried fruits in most of them. We use a sugar-free jam for the top. There are a few times that, yes, near the holidays we do a little bit of sugar, but it's so far and few between through the year that I don't think it's really going to hurt us too much. I try and alternate them every single weekend. As you can see, and traditionally Sundays were baking day because I would do up about 2 dozen cookies for the week, and then we would put them in my husband's snack bags, and as well we would hold back 4 to 6 to send up in a package, a goodies package to Mom and Dad, and I hope that they appreciate those too. So I don't know, this is just like, hey, yes, we might have restricted diets, but you can still find ways to keep some variance within that so that you don't get bored. Life is good. Just keep trying to be healthier. Be that change you want to see out there in the world. I hope you can all find some good spots to focus on in your day with everything that's happening out there right now. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see y'all next time. Okay, bye-bye.